say, Joshua, this popcorn party is off the hook.
Word.
Thanks, everybody.
Hey, Boaz, be careful. Don't get your buttery fingers on Mrs. Henderson's new settee.
No worries, Isaiah. I made a settee cover out of construction paper and Moses stickers.
Say, I got a pretty fun idea. Why don't we play my new video game, Rugrats Spelling Bee?
First, I'll have to go get my mom. She could check it out and make sure it's appropriate for teenagers.
That stinks. We don't need your mom. Let's play Rugrats.
Boaz, Joshua's right. Many of today's video games are very violent and promote immoral behavior. We need to trust our parents to make our entertainment choices for us.
You know what? Fudge our parents. You heard me. Double fudge them. I'm playing Rugrats anyway.
Uh-oh, this is a job for BibleTruths.
He can soar through the air like the Red Sea. Look out, here comes that BibleTruth.
3,000 men of Judah went to the rock of Shechem and said to Samson, "Knowest thou not that the Philistines are rulers over us?" And he found the jawbone of an ass and put forth his hand and took it. Amen.
It's the boss.
Good morning, Jesus. What's the haps?
What's up, Matthew? Here's the dealio. There's a couple of kids playing video games right now without parental guidance.
No parental guidance? Well, that's almost as bad as sticking a camera phone under a bathroom stall and taking a picture of a sailor on the toilet.
What the hell are you thinking about that?
Oh, no, it's just that I know this guy who read about it in a magazine that is a straight magazine, and I'm on it, boss.
I feel so free. Oh, life is for living.
No, it's not.
Bible Dude!
Hi, teens.
Sugarfoot!
Hi, teens.
Bible Dude!
I spy with my little eye one teenage sinner.
Buzz off.
He backsassed.
Boaz, put down that joy stick and pick up the joy book. 1 Chronicles 5, verse 8. And Bela, the son of Azaz, the son of Shema, who dwelt in Eror, even unto Nebo and Balmeon, went eastward and inhabited the wilderness, because their cattle were multiplied in the land of the Hagarites.
I get it. What you're saying is that many of today's video games are very violent and promote immoral behavior. We need to trust our parents to make our entertainment choices for us.
Very good, Esther.
That's exactly what I was telling everyone before you arrived, Bible Dude. Word for word.
God hates a brown-noser. Boaz, since you like violent video games so much, perhaps you'd like to star in one.
Yeah, sounds rad.
I call this one Old Testament Justice. Game over. And remember, kids, if you're really interested in violence, read the Bible.